As a homeowner in Severn, you're probably always on the lookout for ways to increase the value of your property. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance the comfort and energy efficiency of your home, new windows can be an excellent investment. Not only can they improve the aesthetics and functionality of your home, but they can also add significant value to your property. If you're wondering how new windows can impact your home's value in Severn, here's a closer look at the benefits they offer. Enhanced curb appeal. One of the most immediate ways that new windows can increase your home's value is by improving its curb appeal. Windows are a prominent feature of any home's exterior, and outdated or worn-out windows can detract from the overall appearance. On the other hand, installing modern, stylish windows can significantly elevate your home's exterior, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary windows or classic, traditional designs, new windows can complement your home's architectural style and make it stand out in your Severn neighborhood. When your home looks more appealing from the outside, it can draw in more interest and set the stage for a higher sale price. Improved energy efficiency. In Severn, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly throughout the year, energy-efficient homes are highly sought after. Older windows often have drafts and poor insulation, leading to higher energy bills as your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient ones, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption and lower utility costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep the temperature inside your home consistent, regardless of the weather outside. They help to prevent heat from escaping during the winter and keep your home cool during the summer. Not only does this make your home more comfortable, but it also demonstrates to potential buyers that your property is eco-friendly and cost-effective to maintain, boosting its value. Increased home security. Security is always a top priority for homeowners, and new windows can enhance the safety of your home. Older windows are often more vulnerable to break-ins, as they may be easier to force open or have outdated locking mechanisms. Modern windows, on the other hand, come with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems, shatterproof glass, and reinforced frames. For buyers, knowing that a home is equipped with secure, durable windows can be a major selling point. As crime rates fluctuate, families in Severn will be more inclined to choose a home that offers peace of mind when it comes to safety. New windows not only protect your family but also help you attract buyers who prioritize security. Noise reduction. Severn is known for its suburban tranquility, but that doesn't mean noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction can be a nuisance. One of the lesser-known benefits of new windows is their ability to reduce external noise. Many modern windows feature soundproofing technologies, such as double or triple glazing, that help keep unwanted noise at bay. If you live in a busy area or close to a main road, this feature can be a significant selling point for potential buyers. A quieter, more peaceful environment can add to the appeal of your home, making it more attractive to people looking for a serene living space. Long-term investment. While new windows require an initial investment, the long-term benefits make them well worth the cost. Homebuyers in Severn are often looking for properties that require minimal immediate repairs or upgrades, and windows are one of the most noticeable areas that can either boost or lower the overall value of your home. By replacing old, inefficient windows, you are effectively future-proofing your property, ensuring it stays attractive and functional for years to come. In the competitive Severn real estate market, homes with updated windows are more likely to stand out and sell faster. A well-maintained home with high-quality windows provides an excellent return on investment, particularly when the time comes to sell. Conclusion. The impact of new windows on your home's value in Severn is undeniable. From enhancing curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to boosting security and reducing noise, new windows provide both practical and aesthetic benefits that can significantly raise your property's market value. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to enjoy the long-term advantages, investing in new windows is a smart choice for any homeowner in Severn looking to maximize the value of their home.